Hello and special season's greetings to all of you from all of us here at DocuWare. I would like to thank you for your great support, hard work and professionalism throughout the year. Together we are a powerful team and our combined expertise has allowed us to help businesses across the world when it matters most. But our biggest focus, and it will always be like this, are you, the people behind this success. We look forward to continue in that way in 2022 and I wish you now Frohe Weihnachten und ein gesundes neues Jahr.
Olá, aqui é a Mari da Headquarters dos Estados Unidos, desejando a todos boas festas e um feliz ano novo de 2022, com muitas conquistas e grandes realizações. Um beijo grande para todos vocês.
Dall'Italia a tutto il mondo, buon Natale, buone feste e 2022 gioioso per tutti.
Zdrowych i spokojnych świąt Bożego Narodzenia, odpoczynku od codziennego zabiegania oraz dużo uśmiechu i pozytywnej energii na nowy. Wesołych świąt.
Hey, I'm George from Nemeček, Bulgaria, proud partner of DocuWare for more than 20 years now. The results of both companies this year surely prove the stability and the synergy of our long-lasting partnership. You can count on me and my team to continue delivering the best added value for DocuWare's product development and growth. Looking forward to a new, exciting year, more opportunities and even higher success for all DocuWare-related partners and employees all over the world. Бъдете здрави, щастливи, позитивни и уверени. Весела Коледа и честита Нова година. Най-доброто пред нас предстои.
Hallo, ich bin Nadine und ich wünsche allen ein besinnliches Fest und hoffentlich bis zur nächsten DocuWorld. Frohe Weihnachten!
Dankie aan ons kliënte en besigheidsvennote vir julle toegewyde ondersteuning tydens 2021. Ek hoop julle sien uit na die feestyd saam met julle familie en geseënde nuwe jaar.
Season's greetings from the winds of New York, wishing you a holiday full of warmth and cheer and a new year full of peace and joy. From our DocuWare family to yours, happy holidays.
皆さんこんにちは。今年は皆様のおかげでDocuWareにとって素晴らしい年になりました。来年もどうぞよろしくお願いいたします。それでは良いお年をお迎えください。
As we wind down from a busy 2021, I'd like to reflect on our successes, because each success was a result of us all working hand in hand and side by side. Together we've stepped up and grown stronger in our support of partners and customers across the Americas. As we enter the holiday season, I send warm wishes and let's look forward to a happy and healthy new year.
Bonjour à tous, je voulais vous souhaiter depuis Meudon, avec une magnifique vue aujourd'hui sur Paris et la Tour Eiffel, un très joyeux Noël et de très bonnes fêtes de fin d'année au nom de toute l'équipe DocuWare France et à très bientôt en 2022 pour de nouveaux projets. À bientôt!
Hi everyone, it's Nick Ivins here in the sunny UK. I hope you love my festive accessories. I just wanted to wish you all happy holidays and a really happy and successful 2022, and I look forward to seeing you all soon. Bye!
As I look back on this year, I see a year in which we worked hard and worked together to overcome challenges and find answers to the global issues facing us and our industry. Together we have grown into a more dynamic and powerful team of partners, customers and DocuWarians. We are proud to work with you and I thank you for your support. Happy holidays to you and may the new year bring health, peace and prosperity to all.